Hey everybody, Tim from Workshop 12 here. Wanted to create a video and share a concept that we are thinking about doing with our community. We get different requests from people for sponsorship for their vehicles. We have other people that have asked for things like group buys. And then we also have some different businesses that are looking to possibly become dealers with our organization. So we've been trying to think about how we might be able to come up with something interesting, different, unique in the industry that we might be able to offer our customers, different people to be able to kind of share and participate in what we're doing. So something that we wanted to kind of put out there and get feedback from everybody on is whether or not this concept of an affiliate program that we're thinking about would make sense. So all the details are in a link in the description of this video here on YouTube, and it'll give you a little bit more kind of the ins and outs of what we're thinking about. But essentially we're thinking about doing an affiliate program which allows people to basically make a little extra cash or getting discounts based off of how they promote and possibly onward sell our products. So the concept behind this is that if you're an existing customer, you've purchased one of our kits, you're eligible to be able to get your own personalized discount code. And anybody that is going to use that discount code would get 5% off of their initial order. Now, you might think, okay, great, well, I bought the kit and I'm giving somebody else a discount code. What does that really do for me? What we're thinking about is people that are part of this affiliate program is that if there is enough people that use your discount code, you will end up getting a percentage of the sales that came through your discount code, right? So it's kind of flipping the script a little bit on sponsorships, right? Where most sponsorship proposals are, I've got a fantastic car, I've got a great following, you will drive more business by sponsoring me. Where we're more of a, okay, cool, why don't you purchase one of our products? And if you are able to spread the word through your own personalized affiliate discount code, then you can make the total value of your kit back in cash and make a little bit more money if you wanted to as well. So let me run through some different scenarios, right? So we're looking at this concept of being able to do kind of thresholds. So let's say somebody was using my discount code to purchase products. If I managed in a month to be able to sell $500 worth of sales, then I'm going to earn, say, 10%. Of all of those sales gets paid back to me. If I make more, if someone uses my code on more than $1,800 worth of sales, then I would get 15% of all of those total sales paid back to me. Or if I made more than $3,800 worth of sales in that month, I would get 20% of all those total sales paid back to me. So the idea is allowing our existing customers to participate and be part of our community, be part of possibly earning some commissions from promoting our products. And so it kind of works in a few different scenarios, right? So say you wanted to do a group buy. Well, great, somebody purchases one of the kits, you put together enough orders to hit one of those different thresholds using your affiliate code, and then you get that amount of percentage off of your order because you're going to get that back on commission during that month. So like I said, the details of this and kind of what we're thinking about is a little bit novel and different than what I've typically seen out there in the industry. Excuse me, but I think our goal here is really around just that, building a community of participation and having people who are taking part of spreading the word and taking part of building out the community, being able to reap some rewards from being part of that. Same thing goes from a dealer perspective. If a dealer is looking to stock inventory, great, make a certain amount of purchases through that month, and whatever you make on that purchase for those thresholds, you'll get back as a discount on your own personal sales. So that might look a little bit more like a rebate program for dealers that are part of that. But this is something, as we keep hearing of different people regionally, you know, maybe shipping is a barrier, or trying to get parts in through customs is a barrier, and there's people in those different countries that might want to take on a role of being able to bring in and forward on those products. But obviously, if we're putting in that work and legwork, you know, they're wanting to be able to find a way to be able to make either some commissions or markup or that kind of stuff off of the products. So that's kind of what we're thinking, right? We're thinking about how can we build something where everybody participates, everybody can take you know, a little bit of profit, a little bit of commissions, something for being able to spread the word, spread you know, the popularity of our products, and really take part in the growth of the business. So again, like I said, these are things that we're thinking about doing. We've got the details in kind of a proposed affiliate program. It's not live right now. We're trying to see really if there's even any interest in people wanting to participate in something like this. And if there is enough interest, then, you know, it's something that we think that we might roll out. So again, like I said, please comment on this video, send us emails at info@workshop12.com. You know, we'll be posting this on social as well. So, you know, reply on our Facebook and Instagram posts. Really looking forward to your kind of feedback and seeing if it's something that you'd be interested in helping to build a larger community. So with that, I'll leave you to some light reading on the article that we've posted. And like I said, please give us some feedback, and we're looking forward to seeing what you have to say.